TooTallToby, welcome to the podcast.
Wow, thank you, John, so much for that intro. That was very kind of you. I'm a huge fan of you, huge fan of the podcast, and very honored to be here with you today.
Well, thank you, because, one thing I'll start out is it's great to see someone who's so enthusiastic about CAD. For those in our audience who are unfamiliar, what is speed modeling?
Well, I think that the simplest explanation of that would be I would show you a 2D print and I would say, John, turn this into a 3D model, go. And I would hit the stopwatch and I would ask you to turn it into a 3D model. And it would have to be accurate. You can't just draw whatever you think you see. It has to be accurate, because in the real world, if you create something and there's a dimension wrong, well, you're going to cost the company money. You're going to make bad parts. So the requirement is that it has to be done as quickly as possible, but it has to be accurate. And so the challenge is that you haven't seen this print before. This is the very first time you're seeing this print. And so you have to use all the skills that you have acquired over the years and try to figure out the shortest way from point A to point B, turning that 2D print into an accurate 3D model.